First, the top stories. All party meet underway to discuss developments surrounding Indo-Naga talks. Korkom's massive protest demonstration plan foiled by cops. And one more time call from KCB to celebrate Ningol Chakova Fest on October 29th. Good evening and welcome to Times of Manipur. This is Suraj giving you the news. Now the news in detail. An all-political party meeting convened by the Manipur government to discuss the developments surrounding the Indo-Naga peace process is underway at the Chief Minister's Secretariat, Imphal. This comes against the backdrop of the media reports that a final settlement is set to reach between the Government of India and NSC and IM by October 31st, triggering apprehension among the Manipur public and civil society organizations. The all-party meet is chaired by Chief Minister N. Biren Singh. The meeting is understood to have reaffirmed the stand to safeguard the integrity of boundary of Manipur. NPP, CPI, Shiv Sena, LJP, CPIM and BJP leaders are attending the meet. Congress Legislature Party CLP Manipur held a crucial meeting concerning the final Naga political settlement last evening at Babupara, Imphal. The meeting seriously deliberated on the present situation in Manipur arising out of the ongoing Indo-Naga peace process. According to a press release, the meeting unanimously reaffirmed the collective stand of the CLP to protect the territorial, administrative, financial, socio-cultural and political integrity of Manipur. Meanwhile, the Manipuri unit of Bharatiya Janata Party today said the party will never accept any decision taken by the centre which is detrimental to the state's integrity. A press meet was held at the state BJP office located at Kanchipur. Party spokesperson C.H. Bijoy during the press meet declared that BJP will not accept any ethnic-based conclusion. He cited that Prime Minister Narendra Modi has assured on several occasions that Manipur's integrity will not be compromised in the Indo-Naga final pact. The press meet was also attended by Secretary of BJP Manipur Pradesh and Nimbus spokesperson C.H. Bijoy described as unfortunate that the opposition Congress leaders in the state have questioned the stand of BJP over the Naga political issue. Bijoy also cited the statement by Prime Minister Narendra Modi during a public rally at lamjingbatomtv on February 26, 2017 on the Indo-Naga peace talks, suggesting that the state's integrity will not be harmed in the process. Bijoy further added that 6 scheduled formation of territorial council and others for the Nagas are not acceptable. He said the party is still stick to its position on the issue.
NSN IM government India ga tanuri ba peace talk asi gi any solution lagu matamda it should strictly be confined to the geographical boundary of state of Nagaland haibase masi akhoi hanadi uleba yam farm stand Manipur gi any part administrative legislative amasung karigamba reform to botarasu Manipur government gi ayaba yaudna to bosunga yaro final sign downloading Manipur government the stakeholders in chair masi tana biraga makhoi consent logo dobani haibase akhoi yam farm stand.
Coordinating Committee on Manipur Integrity, COCOMI, an umbrella body of 5 different pressure groups, today planned for a massive protest demonstration in different parts of Manipur to push for the demand for safeguarding the territorial integrity of Manipur. This comes in the wake of latest developments on Indo-Naga peace talks, for which a final settlement is likely to be brought by the end of this month. As per reports, police personnel interrupted a large number of protesters, mainly students who were preparing to stage protest demonstrations at Imphal College, DM College, Manipur College and Biramangal College. Amid tightened security, students of Manipur College, Pisumthong, Imphal form a human chain in front of the college gate as part of the protest.
October tang kulum duidagina kuntraga mathoi phawase Manipur da lerba mafam khudimakta akoi peace talk ki matang da section mifam haidana Manipur ki mafam khudimakta akoi phambiu aduna hairiba mafam sida club marapabi tongan ba institution tongan ba loisang leiriba se akoi ki peace talk asina akoi shanti gi oiba lambe lamda changchan biu masina maramar kana yim thangnariba amasung kanglup phurup singsida shanti thugaiba mongda peace talk si wafam ji chathabiganu kariguma shanti gi peace talk si thugairako targadi ingna singna sahi kaya lising kaya chumna khundaminarga leminaro phurup masing marakta khal kaiba sang kaigadaba wakhal punamak government of India na tawikanu tawirakanu haibagi adugumba khoi alert oina Manipur miyam gi aroiba firep amakak aikoi lepnabgi damangta aikoi kokobi semakanda aikoi khongjang kayam ka changchananaba koi sem sare haibaje Manipur miyam apana appeal tawjari
lainga kani haina leiriba lainga loising haiba tare makhoi su makhoi gi oiba achetba firepse miyam da khangan biba pame aduga loinana khoi Manipur lainga na su akhannaba assembly gi mifam kaure hairakanda akhoi gi wathok sigi matangda hojik leiriba issue sigi matangda munna khanaraga makhoi gi achetba firepse lahonningbagi apambasu kokomi de layaba masisu akhoi gi lainga loising sigi mafamda khoi ngasigi press conference gi khudong chaba lauraga thamjari
handaki khongjang asida laugdaba khoi kono sing sai dare slogan haitare madu akhuni semjabada suna hanmada mayam play card thaba amsung lagu yabada khoina hanmada Manipur gi apunmagi saktam kaibe yaroi haiba aduga ani subada India na kanglup naiba toksil tawba yaroi haiba ahum subadana Manipur gi MLA homfumak Delhi de satuna taksilu haiba aduga mathangda MLA homfumakna asengba asumba akhoi farm state nam lobbiu haiba aduga mathangda India na Manipur se thugaiganu haiba aduga aroibadana waroisin poro aduga wakai purkanu haiba sine aduna hairiba kanu singsi maru oina akhoi laibiriba club ki akhoi association gi lekai khuding mangna si hairiba si chigi de yumpham oibiraga mafam adugi ima singna aduga islinauna mahiro singna tobi matamda support tobiu haibo pham si thamjai
Mamangi sahi ke ada tangka ke ada su government of India na nampuda Manipur gi apun basaktam thugaina ba kyara khona pa matamda Manipur gi miyam na akhoi gi leijabi pangal loksing amadi manaba lingjera du uthuga thingdu lakhiba adugumna hantaksu October 19 fawgi manungda makoina nampu hapu tawduna akhoi waroi sulam purakpada Manipur gi mafam Manipur ga maidena wafam amada khare solkpa yabgi singnaba leibase masi akhoi thoktana ba akhoi punna mangna aputba firep mahuksa gum lomina si haibasi akhoi miyamda pawgen pijening
Kanglei Park Calendar Board's KCB has once again called upon the general public of Manipur and Manipuris living outside to celebrate the upcoming Ningol Chakoba festival on 29th of this month. Talking to media persons today at the office of Southeast Asian Cultural Organization SECO located at Moirang Lerak Machin, Imphal, Vice President of KCB Dr. Moirangthem Surjit maintained that the official declaration by the state government that this year's Ningol Chakoba falls on 30th October is not accurate as already proven by documentary evidences. He added, people in the state have been left in confusion due to the related departments' inaccurate information. KCB President Dr. Surjit urged that the concerned department must organize the state fish fair on 28th of this month in view of the correct date of Ningol Chakoba festival, which is 29th October as per Kanglei Park calendar. This is the second time that the calendar board is making a clarion call to the public to celebrate the Ningol Chakoba festival on October 29.
Kalipad calendar board ki number yawa adu kumba calendar si Manipur lengan lokot pirabati singba thawan ki problem si lero hebasi aina kalipad calendar board ki magai dagi Manipur sakada masiki apina apil si tujari request tujari
no moga nini ga pali haidana magi minute second si noi pire ko sta noi lere aduga tang kuntra si da humni pale na yam singna mayek singna si da supire haitare ado swai si da matau karabna lainga na haitare kupna yingchen bidana kaido bagi miyam da samam na pola kanda ai khoi ngasi asengba tang kun mapan numisa chako basida tang kuntra da matau karabna holiday list to ibano when na miyam sina su mataw karamna tang kuntra da ningon chaku biduri buno sini aduna kanglaiba calendar board ki maikai digi thamjaning badi tang kun mapan asida kanglai miyam gi akhoi lamdam asigi chanura sing asi mabung maupa sing oiba sing na tang kun mapan sida chaku bi haina thamjari loina na tang kun mapan sida chaku gadoro banina tang kuniban da mari leina ba fisheries department gi oibi ai tongan ba farm tawriba sing na su tang kun ga nipan mi sida oina nga puthokpi ra ganda nga mela tawbira ganda tang kun mapan sinang na ba nga gi mela pangthok tana hai ba ningon chaku gi mapung pa na pangthok na wona ba da singa da bani haina kel kanglaiba calendar board ki mai kai di thamjani hai ta.
With the festive seasons around the corner, people have started to exchange gifts. Dweller put up a pop-up shop at Lamphel supermarket with an aim to start replacing outside-made gift items with Manipur-made ones. TOMTV brings you an exclusive report on this.
People exchange gifts during festivals. But the question is, right choice of gifts to be presented between us during different festivals. Dwellers situated at Lamphel supermarket put up a Made in Manipur pop-up shop under the theme Gift Local and Make an Impact, providing a platform to young entrepreneurs in the state. The idea behind the pop-up shop is to promote products made in Manipur during the festive seasons by starting a culture of gifting these locally made products. It also aims to unite the young entrepreneurs of the state and march forward together.
Ashimagidi akhoi myam se kamaina ko Manipur da khoi leiriba khoi myam lomak thabak suning ne kan na hotna mena ning ne chakhat mena ning ne na kamaina punjal laga akhoi platform ma create tawraga ko akhoi gi product se display tawba adu natana hena kai hai tar hena market linkage hena anoba kamaina anoba demand kamaina puthokpa yage adurdi akhoi mayam khoi thabak sunar mai mi myam lo mating pang yana ba main to ga hena long term yangaga hujik tagi oina ko at least semhora se adu gi platform da du mayam punna represent taw minaraga ko chakhumina se na khallaga du wakhan ron da start taw gi.
Founder of Dweller, Elizabeth, said that apart from promoting these products, it is necessary to come up with an eco-friendly packaging solution. She added that we have the resources, but we need to showcase and utilize them besides making awareness to the people on these readily available resources.
Koi hujik anoba culture ama semak pani haide gifting culture se lak pasida kamaina local gifts se local products me am se kamaina gifting ko the behavior influence to ba ba adu da natana koi gi quality shu oiba aduga koina gifting solution ona puthok sa ba se aduna gift hamper makers ka su ko koina tie up to minaraga koi mam ki product mayam pullaga ko yon haidi kai hai tara gifting solution pizza bane ba ashe mai di idea de hana de gi dum lai ra bane ba koina kauthoki ba hai tare so basically akhoi already ko akhoi ne ima market is chalashu everything akhoi around us ne ba adu myam da kamaina mok hanjana kamaina adum khoi regular use ta kamaina sinar pa ya bado adu myam da existing already lai rabani kaudana ba akhoi na amuk sina horak pado adu ne na thamjanenge.
The pop-up was participated by Chanu, Dwellers, Foragers, Forest Pack, Hailei, Hillwild, Kaithal Express, Maira, Nachom, Sugar Dairy, Taret, Thangsing, Thapos, Veronica, among others. Many customers express happiness for being able to get all the products under one roof.
I know the lady say Himangi Samana, Dagi Amana, Sogrigi, Dagi Equigi, local made sabon, Kanogi, Equigi, Sahigi, Nanga can Imanabella, but a present pin Burmatam than everywhere Salaga pick up the way about Swap Namapama Madagi, Samana, Namapama Madagi, going to Tiraga Salia Donga, sit Samanang at the lake in a lakpania, they do the Inapamba soap, no at Loina Pangamea, the Dina, Loy Salagat. Khara diet mayam na lesale mapanagi manaba sing lakpa sida tay pidoy saruena adda ina ngasi leiring es khara yam na dum lesale.
Many small-scale entrepreneurs showcase their products and get more customers through the pop-up shop.
So basically aigi Tikor haiba brands gi makhada labor products are all made of teak wood akoigi Burmese teak ko aduga aina sari basi kitchen accessories like cutting board, chopping board, rolling pins, the spatula. Mostly kitchen kenungak and especially they are food safe, the termite free, antibacterial, and water resistant. Yeah, I participation in any pop-up stall, but I would say like yamna fava platform ni pop-up for any local made products singi where unique products me am sinse mayam da khanghan bagi.
If everyone comes together during this bid in promoting the indigenous products, then it won't be hard to make Manipur a self-sufficient and prosperous state. Organizing such event will not only help endorse such young and talented entrepreneurs in the bigger market, but will also boost the economy of the state. Buy local and make an impact is today's theme of this pop-up shops. But these young entrepreneurs need your constant support in any form. With Hemchandra Sagolsem, this is Onal Sambandram reporting for Times of Manipur, Imphal.
Well, it's time now for a short commercial break, but coming up, Bangladesh stakeholders meet begins in Guwahati.
Prabhavati Handloom brings you special offers for Ningol Chakoba. Ningol Chakoba na lakpa sida makhal kayagi fi fanek fangbiragani. Laisabi, yum palabi, ahal oiraba ima singna set payaba, inbayaba, fizol kudingmak fangbiragani. Ngasimak lengsin birau Prabhavati Handloom, Moirangkhom Sawgaizam Lairak Machin, natraga aikoigi phone number 6909126615 natraga 700580023 da call tawirau. Prabhavati Handloom.
Ningol Singi Akhanaba Kumhai Ningol Chakobana Lakpada, Dhamabati Emporium na, Laklibo October Kuntra Fawa Chada Kuntra discount pizari, Akaknaba Matam Kaktagi Oina Pizaba discount ni, Nasimak Lengsin Birau, Dhamabati Emporium, Gari Makhalekai near Pakang Buford, contact number 7085-186-485 Natraga, 7005-946-6596.
Welcome back after the break. Bangladesh stakeholders met begin in Guwahati today with trade and connectivity high on the agenda. According to media reports, a 70-member delegation from India and Bangladesh are participating in the two-day meet. The focus would be on improving connectivity with the neighboring country under the Act East policy. The meet also aims in putting Assam at the focus point of India's trade expansion with the Association of Southeast Asian Nations as well as Bangladesh, Bhutan and Nepal. Moreover, the technical sessions will have discussions on connectivity aspects as the broader theme, with several sessions planned to specifically focus on road agreements, cross-border service route trade on port use agreements. The business meet on agriculture, mines and minerals, tea and infrastructure will also be held during the meet. President of All Manipur Muslim Students Organization, AMSO headquarters, Shahnawaz Makak Mayum today expressed discontentment over the persisting confusion over the peace talks between the Government of India and NSC and IM. It has remained confused in the mind of the people whether it will have an impact on the integrity of Manipur, he said. Speaking at a press meet at the head office of AMSO, Sanawaz further also expressed happiness that the solution is expected for the Nagas by October 31st, but added that the Muslim student community won't accept any one-sided decision of the Government of India that could harm the integrity of the state.
Karigumba state asik India solak pagi thabak government of Miyan tarok labadi adu ki jamakta amsona imalaba ki jamakta thawai pawba kabad pamu balaiti hana press media manga thamjari.
Indian Red Cross Society Manipuri is distributing grant amount of Rs 50,000 each to 92 widow beneficiaries under the livelihood project Asha Ki Mangal. A press release from the society informed all beneficiaries to submit their rate quotations for grocery, poultry, power loom, embroidery and tailoring machines on or before November 6, 2019. A one-day temporary Mao market was set up at Nambol City Parking, Bisnupur district today. A large number of Nambol residents came out to buy their favorite vegetables, fruits and flower saplings at the short-life market. The market was jointly arranged by Nambol Apunbanupi Loop and Development and Protection United Voluntary Organization DPU VO Nambol. Talking to TOMTV, on one of the buyers, S. Sanjoy of Nambol Sabaleka expressed happiness on putting up Mao market at Nambol.
Manipur ki border oriba maulam damdagi laga pochai yonba lakpasi ai ki thamoda yam nungai jabam phaujai aduga akhoi jati pumna makku punsanabagi ihulamasu ai ki wakan da phaujai adana yam nungai sing da phangma pot akhoi ki lamdam da phangma pot tu akhoi ki tapak da phangwasi ai ki thamoda yam hainingai leitana haraujai haijaninge.
On the other hand, a woman vendor at the Mao market, Kapini Boye, appreciated the organizers for their hospitality. She urged the state government to build a permanent Mao market shed at Imphal.
Manipurgi mafam khoding da lekai khoding da akhoi bo somna semsa biraga akhoi bo nungai na moina akhoi bo somna welcome tawbire matung da su akhoi bo lakpa matam da su lakadore ba matam da su akhoi bo somna moina kaubiroi haibase ai thajae aduga Manipur akhoi Manipur ge government ge mafam da su request tawjari akhoi bo athu ba matam da shelter ama akhoi bo permanent shelter ama di sembi ba haibase akhoi ai welcome request tawjabani ngai akhoi asomna Mao market semba sida akhoi chingmi tammi ge nungsina ba marisu henna kan khalle haibase ai thajae.
More than 80 vendors put up merchandise for sale at their separate stores. Two students were seriously injured in a road meetup that occurred around 9:30 this morning near Chawangphai of More in Technopal district. According to reports, the girls were riding a two-wheeler vehicle when a speeding Tata DI truck hit their vehicle from behind near Mount More School in Kananveng, leaving them critically injured. They have been identified as Nengnei Moy Hokip, age 15 years, daughter of late Chung Pao Hokip, and Lingai Neng Hokip, age 16 years, daughter of Chong Thang Hokip, both hailing from Chawangphai. The report also said that locals nearby rushed the duo to More Hospital. However, they were later sent to Imphal after their condition deteriorated. ICAR Krishi Vigyan Kendra Imphal West organized a fertilizer application awareness program at the ICAR Threshing Shed ICAR Complex Lamphel. The awareness program was sponsored by Department of Agriculture, Cooperation and Farmers Welfare, Ministry of Agriculture and Farmers Welfare, Department of Fertilizers, Ministry of Chemicals and Fertilizers, Government of India and Department of Agriculture, Research and Education, Ministry of Agriculture and Farmers Welfare, Government of India, Lok Sabha MP Dr. R.K. Ranjan, Principal Scientist of Seed Technology, ICAR Dr. I. Megachandra and Joint Director of ICAR Imphal Dr. N. Prakash attended the function.
Masigumba mayamsi yengakanda aigi lokpamda karamba makhalgi chemical aina rasayan gi artificial chemical si nattaba natural chemical se masi karamba saruk watpage se khangakanda thagadoriba pot aduga sanana chemical fertilizer oigera natraga any fertilizer oigera madu applied tongnaba madugi maramda ikoi aware wedana widong tagna sigi mi famse phammi bane.
General Secretary of CAF and PD Laborers Welfare Association Jiribam branch Huiram Dinakumar Singh has strongly condemned the incident wherein the DGM of FCI S. James fired a gunshot at the advisor of CAF and PD Laborers Welfare Association Imphal, Hizam Kavita Chanu, at the former's office while she was submitting a memorandum to the DGM yesterday. In this regard, a press meet was held today at Kalimai Mandir Kalinagar in Jiribam, during which Dina Kumar said that it's using abusive words and the life attempt on Kavita is highly condemnable. He informed that the department has launched a cease work strike until and unless the concerned authority books S. James and giving befitting punishment for this act.
October ki tang kunma thoni do ka numita freedom ama pisan basang bada Cap NPD Labor Welfare Association gi advisor oina puriba aduga All India Labor Union gi loading and unloading gi vice president oina su phampubi bi Mijam Kavita da Sanuda DGM oina puriba Mr. James na live attempt tarokpa asibu yaningde loinana mahaku ain yu oiba hakpa chairak pibiu haina Jiribam Cap NPD Labor Welfare Association Jiribam branch na nasigi press meet asi ekoina kaujabani.
Demanding action against FCI DGMS James over the recent life attempt on a woman laborer, CAF and PD Laborers Welfare Association today threatened to launch a cease work strike. The association strongly condemned the incident during a protest which was staged in front of FCI Godown Complex, Shanghai Pro.
Koina wakat pasang uba koi nupi jingida yam inhuman oiba wang chang ngangpa aduida khojaung na kodigi awai khum khatong na badigi masagi license ganna koi huju association gi mida bazawai leiba Kavita hijamjida live attempt torok badigi madugi thodok tubu koina koi association site gi yamna highly condemn tawi masigum thodo asidi tasina da simi khunai da sobu singna bani hamina ai wafan ji thamjage madugi thodok tubu yaning do phungdo boina ngasi akoi gi sintha lepsara kanda ngasi akoi serim protest tokjabani hai wafam ji thamjage.
Let's take another short commercial break. Do stay tuned.
Kangla food product ti iram dong dia seng ma mahong yeng dio garlic mixer khatana tana kangla gi ano food item singi mahok khangla bada ngauroi do kana bu leibu kangla
Liklang Pare All Manipur Women's Voluntary Association Amawavana Hingbagi Wahantok Leiba Chaukhatba Nungaiba Tangdu Leitaba Ketnaba Leitaba Kunai Amagidamak Leblakpa Chahi Kuntrap Mapung Parakli Liklang Pareng Lakliba October Kungamari Amawavagi Kuntrarak Suva Foundation Dega Mari Leinana Sinjariba Nungairaba Ishay Nongmagi Thoramni Liklang Pareng Mafam Baige Chandra Open Air Theatre Board Matamna Nungthil Pung Manga Miyam na Sungsoy Shoitana Saruk Yabiu Liklang Pare.
Welcome back. Troops of 27 Assam Rifles arrested 2 cadres of NSC and IM from Gandhi Chowk in Ukhrul district of Manipur last night. As per media reports, the arrested were identified as Self-Styled Surgeon Major Yurthing, aged 24 years, and Self-Styled Corporal Robin Jimmick, aged 29 years. They hailed from Chatrik area and were in Ukhrul town for the past 1 week. Reportedly, the Assam Rifle troops also seized 2 9mm pistols from them. They were later handed over to Imphal police station for further verification. The 3rd Guwahati International Film Festival will kick off from October 31st and at Jyoti Chitravan and Srimanta Sankardev Kalakhetra. The event is being organized by Jyoti Chitrabon in association with DBH Regional Government Film and Television Institute under the sponsorship of the Assam government. More than 100 films from over 65 countries will be screened during festival, which will continue till November 6th. Films from Iran will be in focus as per reports. Talking to TOMTV, chairman of Jyoti Chitrabon, Pabitra Mehrita, informed that legendary Manipuri filmmaker Aribam Shyam Sharma will attend the gala as chief guest and his films will also be screened at the event. Poland's legendary filmmaker Krizitov Janussi will also attend the impressive festival.
Kurumjari, very proud and glad to inform you that films from Assam and Manipur also will be screened there, and our very own pride of India, pride of not only of Manipur, pride of Northeast, Aribam Shyam Sharma will be amongst our distinguished guests, and one of his movies will be also screened there. So we welcome you all to the third edition of Guwahati International Film Festival, and please for this you just log on to giff.gov.in. More than 100 students from Manipur have registered their name, and I welcome you all to this third edition of GIF.
3 workers were injured in a fire mishap at a cracker unit in Sivakasi, Tamil Nadu this afternoon. According to media reports, the friction while handling chemical caused the fire. One of the injured was rushed to a private hospital in Madurai, while the other 2 were admitted to a private hospital in Sivakasi. Reportedly, the incident is being investigated by Maranari police. Former Finance Minister P. Chidambaram on Tuesday was granted bail by the Supreme Court in the INX media case propped by the Central Bureau of Investigation. A media report said, "This is the first bit of good news for the 74-year-old Congress leader since his arrest by the CBI 61 days ago on August 21st. But it does not, however, mean that the 74-year-old Congress politician can walk out of jail right away. He is also under arrest in a related case being investigated by the Enforcement Directorate and is being grilled by officials of the federal agency mandated to prove money laundering." Let's now have the sports news. In sports today, a 2-month-long course on adventure sports has begun today at the Physical Education and Sports Manipur University, Kanchipur. At the opening function, Director of Center for South Asian Studies, MU Professor Amar Yumnam, President of Manipur Mountaineering and Trekking Association, Bijoy Kaksing Tabam, former President of the Association, Yambem Laba, Dean of School of Human and Environmental Science, Manipur University, Professor Ras Kusuwaha shared the days.
Course Manipur University ahan hawdok chabani akogi Manipur University Department of Physical Education and Sports Science da hawdok chabani masi India gi manungda akogi hojik jangjang launa chi course se run torib university ahum khatang ngairi masi university se akogi authority ga kupna khanar matungda mathangi academic session 2020-21 session da akoi PG diploma akoi si hangnabagi sem saba loijare mathang de koi chungyo choidna PG diploma degree si hangnabagi tamangta koi sem saraga Manipur de lariba youth youngster mayam si akoi adventure spirit si akoi ne piraba matungda akoi gi healthiness na mo oinabagi kodong sabado department na logjage.
Leukemia Youth Organization LYO is organizing its sports meet from October 24 to 26 at TM School Ground L Khel Kohima village. As per reports, LYO said that many have excelled in their respective disciplines through this tournament. It believes the exposure from the sports meet can help the players get recognition and transform them into future state players. Virat Kohli and his Morading bunch completed their dominance and brought a rather quick end to South Africa's misery by wrapping up the third and final test in just over 3 days. According to media reports, it took India only 12 balls on day 4 to wrap up this series and walked home with a clean sweep. Team India bulldozed the Proteas on their way to an innings and 202 runs victory over Faf du Plessis' hapless unit in Ranchi. With this victory, Kohli and his team completed a 3-0 clean sweep, India's first ever against South Africa in a bilateral test series. Before we wind up, let's have a quick look at the top stories once again. All-party meet underway to discuss developments surrounding Indo-Naga talks. Kokomi's massive protest demonstration plan foiled by cops. And one more time call from KCB to celebrate Ningol Chakoba Fest on October 29th. Well, that's all for now. Keep watching Times of Manipur.